Welcome back, cat enthusiasts. If you've watched part 1 of our Persian cat series, you're already acquainted with their rich history and charming personalities. In this second installment, we'll delve deeper into their care requirements, health considerations, and ideal living environments. Whether you're a Persian cat owner or considering adopting one, this video is a must-watch. Grooming and maintenance. Persian cats are renowned for their luxurious, long coats, which require daily grooming to prevent matting and tangles. Regular brushing helps maintain their coat's health and reduces shedding. Additionally, due to their flat facial structure, Persians often experience tear staining and may need their eyes cleaned regularly. Health considerations. While Persian cats are generally healthy, they are predisposed to certain genetic conditions. Polycystic kidney disease, PKD, a hereditary condition leading to kidney dysfunction. Respiratory issues. Their brachycephalic, flat-faced structure can cause breathing difficulties. Dental problems. The shape of their jaws may lead to dental malocclusions, necessitating regular dental checkups. Regular veterinary visits and a proper diet are essential to monitor and manage these potential health issues. Living environment and lifestyle. Persians thrive in calm, indoor environments where they feel safe and comfortable. They enjoy lounging and are not particularly active, making them suitable for apartment living. However, they do appreciate interactive play sessions to keep them mentally stimulated. Training and socialization. While not as active as some breeds, Persians are intelligent and can be trained using positive reinforcement techniques. Early socialization helps them become well-adjusted companions, comfortable with various household situations.